Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I proceed this video, I would like to say that please click like and subscribe my channel. Alright, this video is the continuation video from my previous video where I have shown you where I have built this for this bottom casing, the two supporting structures where it will hold the motor. So in this video is the continuation where I will do the supporting structures to support the two batteries. But before that, since this is in assembly mode, I will insert the two AAA batteries into exact location here. Then from there, I can edit this bottom casing. Then I can know where for me to do the supporting structures to support these two AAA batteries. So before that, I need to insert. I have already modeled the AAA batteries. If I insert component, I have already make a part modeling of these AAA batteries. So what I will do, I will make these AAA batteries into exact location. So what I will do here, under mate here, so under mate selection here, I will select, I click at the list here, my AAA batteries. If I click the front plane, the top plane of my AAA batteries, and this top plane here, I will give a distance of 3 millimeter, and make sure that it's not upward. I click at flip dimension, so it go downward, since the battery have to be in lower position. Now it have the relation, the front plane of this battery and this top plane here. This surface is 3 millimeter. Let me click OK first. So it means that it maintains that level. But now I will set another mate setting, that I go for mate setting. I will select the AAA batteries front plane, and if I close this list, if I close this list, the second setting will be the bottom casing front plate. So by default, SolidWorks will make it into coincident, but I will not go for coincident. I will give a distance of 5.25. So make sure the direction is in this direction. If I click flip, it will go on to the other side. So make sure I click on, I'm not click at check at the flip dimension, so it go to that location. So this will be my second setting for the batteries. If I click OK first, so the battery are in level in terms of top plane and front plane. I can still move the battery here, but it maintains the level in terms of vertical and horizontal plane. Okay, another setting is that I will make another mate setting, that this surface, sorry, not the edge, the surface of this battery will touch this surface, and I set it to coincident, and I click OK. So I have the location for the battery. What I will do now, for the second battery, I will do mirror here. Okay, hold on. For the mirror, in here under assembly, we have submenu here under linear component pattern. If I click at the cursor, we have mirror component. So mirror plane will be the bottom casing front plane, and component to mirror is a battery. Then if I click OK, so we'll have the second battery position. Okay, the orientation actually in the assembly, the orientation of the battery of the second one have to be turned to the other side. But for this is a temporary assembly, I just know as long as I place these two battery in correct position, so I have a guide for me to build the supporting structure for this bottom plate to support the two batteries. Okay, what I will do next, I will select this bottom casing, then I go for edit part mode. Since this bottom casing, I'm in edit part mode, so everything turns into blue color. So what I will do, I will go for under features here, under reference geometric plane, I will select this face and the distance is 10. Since why I put it 10, because I have already measured, hold on, this is the partition wall. From here to here is 10 unit, is 10, right? So this is the supporting structures to support the battery. So what I will do, hold on. So I already built a plane here at distance 10, then I click OK. So at this plane, I will go for sketch mode and I will trace this outline. I select the edge of this two battery and I will convert to entities. So that's all I need, the curves that I need for me to do the supporting structures. Let me exit this sketch and also let me exit this edit part mode. Right, so what I will do, I will open part in position. So we are now in part modeling mode. So I have this trace curve here. So I will edit the sketch. Then I will select this edge. I convert to entities. Then I will do offset, select this line. The distance is 5, but I go to the bottom direction. And then I will do trim. I will remove part that is not needed for me to create the Reip. Alright, I click OK. And this line I converted into center line. So this will be the outline for me to do Reip. So under the features I have Reip and the thickness is 1. And if measure, if you look, the arrow here is pointing upward and I click at flip material pointing downward. Then I click OK, then I have these features to support the batteries. So if we look in this photo, hold on, we have another same features here. So I don't have to do this again. Okay, please take note on this. Since I have built this Reip as a supporting structures for the batteries, for the second one here, I don't have to do it again. So in SolidWorks, we have under feature here, we have linear pattern. Okay, for linear pattern, we at first setting here, menu on the left, for direction. If I select any straight edges, I cannot select this edge. Since this edge, I already done it by lofting, is not perfectly a straight edge. So I can use this edge here as a guide for me to do linear pattern. Because linear pattern, you need the direction from the straight edge. So if you look here, the arrow is pointing to the left. Make sure that under here, I click again here to make sure it's going to the right. Okay, the setting here is, okay, if you look in the photo here, the distance from this to second one is 20. is 20. So the distance here will be 20. And here number is 2. 2 is including the first object, including the first features here, what I want to do linear pattern. So I make it 2. I don't need direction 2. But under here, the features to do linear pattern, I will select this Reip component, then I click OK, then I have this second features here. Right, let me save my file. Okay, as you can see, we have one solid bodies. So the bottom casing is, we have the two supporting structures to support the two AAA batteries. Right, if I go back to the assembly mode, so automatically it will be updated. So if I go for section view, just for checking, let's go for top view. If I drag, you can see we have the supporting structures for the battery. If I can check it on the right view, as you can see, if I drag it here, so I have the supporting structures for the two batteries. Okay, that's how I do it. For me, doing this detailing for this bottom casing. Okay, I think I have to end this video here. So inshallah, in the next video I will continue doing the more detailings for this bottom casing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. But before that, please do not forget to click like and subscribe my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.